What happens when Aston Martin decides to build a car that looks less like a normal Grand Tourer and more like a machine from the future? You get the Aston Martin Valen. The Valen is designed to grab attention instantly. From the aggressive front end to its incredibly low stance and sharp aerodynamic lines, every part of this car looks engineered for performance. And of course, it still carries that unmistakable Aston Martin DNA, elegant, dramatic, and unmistakably British. But the Valen isn't just about looking fast. Underneath the stunning bodywork is where things get really interesting. Aston Martin has focused heavily on aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and performance, creating a car that is meant to feel just as special behind the wheel as it looks sitting still. Inside, the cabin combines luxury with a much more driver-focused atmosphere. Premium materials, modern technology, and a cockpit-style layout make it feel like you're sitting inside something genuinely exotic, rather than just another expensive sports car. And then there's the performance. The Valen is built around the idea that serious performance doesn't have to sacrifice luxury. The power, acceleration, handling, and exhaust note all come together to create the kind of driving experience Aston Martin is famous for. What makes this car especially interesting is the balance. Some supercars are all about speed, while others focus almost entirely on comfort. Aston Martin tries to sit right in the middle, giving you breathtaking performance while still maintaining that sophisticated, grand touring character. The result is a car that doesn't need to scream for attention. Its design does that already. The Aston Martin Valen represents exactly what makes the brand so fascinating. Beautiful design, serious performance, and a sense of exclusivity that you simply don't get from an ordinary sports car. And if Aston Martin continues pushing in this direction, the future of the brand could be very exciting indeed.